How to use responsive AI in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the responsive AI within your Wix Studio. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and we're going to select one of the websites that have been created within Wix Studio, as you can see the label right there on screen. Head over the setup or the homepage and click on edit sites. So it is going to load up your website real quick. Now what can we do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the section that we want to use the responsive AI with. For example, let's use one of the sections that we have here. So if I click on the section as it is, you're going to find that we have section clicked, and you're going to be able to click on the section elsewhere aside from the text or the elements. So you need to have a little bit of content within your section. So we can go ahead and use the responsive AI by having it right there. We are going to click on it. So you can get a responsive section on all devices with AI. So I'm going to generate now. It is going to generate the responsive design for all the specific customization for the devices, like the phone, like the desktop, and also the tablet. It is going to be creating or setting up this section as responsive, and this is going to be the final result. So as you can see, in our desktop version is going to be cool. In our tablet version, we're going to see it. Let's check it. It is going to be okay, aside from this text, which have been mistakenly set up. And finally, we have the mobile version, which is normally going to be cool. So aside from this space that we can regulate here, I'm going to apply the changes, and we're going to modify the specific, let's say, area that we're going to have, and then we're going to be cool. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.